Hi everyone, I'm Sherika Hapuarachchi. I have more than 20 years experience in teaching mathematics for primary and secondary students. This is my YouTube channel Math Plus. Today we are going to learn O-level maths paper first part 20 questions. Let's move to the first slide. The first question is 0.7 into 0.4. So when you're going to do this, you forget about the decimal and then just you multiply 7 times 4. So 7 times 4 is 28 and there are two decimal places. So when you place those two decimal places, you will get your answer as 0.28. B part 6.78 into 10 to the power 3. We know if I get 10 to the power 1, the meaning is it's 10. 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10, which is 100. 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10, which is 1000. So 6.78, when you multiply by 1000, you will get 6780. Second question, if y equals negative 5, find the values of a part 10y minus 8. Now here, instead of y, you have to take negative 5. So then 10 times negative 5 minus 8. 10 times negative 5 is negative 50, negative 8. When the signs are same, you can add and keep the same sign. Then your answer is negative 58. B part, y squared plus 10. We know y is negative 5. Then negative 5 into negative 5, which is 25. 25 plus 10, it's 35. Third question, express 8,967 grams in kilograms and grams. We know 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Therefore, here I have 8 kilograms and 967 grams. The fourth question, the nth term is 4n plus 8. Find the first two terms. Now you know your nth term, it's 4n plus 8. You have to find the first two terms. First, I'm going to find the first term. How can I find the first term? You take n as 1. Then 4 times 1 plus 8. 4 times 1, it's 4. 4 plus 8, it's 12. So my first term is 12. Now I'm going to find the second term. Take n as 2. Then 4 times 2, it's 8. 8 plus 8, it's 16. Fifth question, what is the square root of 144? So it's much more easier for you to do like this. So you divide this 144 with factors. So 144 means I can write it as 72 times 2. Now I have divided 72 also as 36 times 2. 36 means 6 times 6. I don't want to get prime factors because I just want to find the square root of 144. Now here I have two sixes and two twos. So I'll take 1 6 and 1 2. Then 6 times 2, it's 12. So what is the square root of 144? It's 12. So we know 12 times 12, you'll get 144. Sixth question, it's an equation. Now, first, I'm going to take the like terms. According to this equation, my equation is 3m minus 4 equals m plus 8. I'm taking the second side m also to the first side and negative 4, I'll take it to the other side as positive 4. Then I will get 3m minus m equals 8 plus 4. 3m minus m is 2m. 8 plus 4 is 12. I have to find the value of m. Therefore, I divide both sides by 2, then m equals 6. Seventh question, you have to simplify this expression. Now, in the next step, I have taken the like terms together. 7m plus 3m, 10 plus 5, negative 4n, negative 2n. 7m plus 3m, it's 10m. 10 plus 5, it's 15. Here, the signs are same, so I can add and keep the same sign. Negative 4n, negative 2n, I will get negative 6n. I cannot simplify this expression further, so this will be my final answer. Eighth question, make A the subject of the formula V equals U minus AT. Now, when you want to make the subject, you keep that letter in one side and take all the other letters and the numbers to the other side. Now, I'm going to do like that. V equals U minus AT. I have taken minus AT to the first side as positive AT, and V, I have taken it to the second side as minus V. Then I will get AT equals U minus V. I have to keep A as the subject. Then I have to divide both sides by T. Then I will get A equals U minus V divided by T. Let's move to the ninth question. Find the missing angle. Now here you have to find the value of B. Now we know what's the theory we can use here. Angles at a point add up to 360. So then I can write B plus 105 degrees equals 360. To find the value of B, I have to take 360 degrees minus 105 degrees. Then I will get B as 255 degrees. 10th question, what is the probability of getting a square number when an element is picked at random from the set? Now, according to this set A, I have 8 elements. Then I have to identify what are my square numbers. Now, according to these numbers, we know 2 times 2, it's 4, it's a square number. Then 4 times 4 is 16. That also a square number. I have 2 square numbers from this list. Then when I want to write the probability, we know the probability, we always write it as a fraction. There are 8 elements and I have 2 square numbers. So then my probability is 2 out of 8 or 2 over 8. The 11th question, find the mode, mean, and the range of the following set of numbers. These are my numbers: 6, 3, 9, 6, 3, 12, 3. According to this set of numbers, my mode is 3. We know the mode is the highest occurring number, so my mode is 3. How do we find the range? The largest value minus the smallest value. So according to this, 12 minus 3, it's 9. Mean means the average. So how do we find the mean or the average of this? First, we have to add all the numbers and divide by the number of terms. According to this set of numbers, I have 7 terms. So when I add these 7 terms, I'll get 42. So 42 divided by 7, it's 6. So then the mean is 6. The 12th question, if a mango costs 15 rupees, find the cost of 8 mangoes. So what you have to do, 15 times 8, it's 120. The 13th question, the area of a square is 225 square centimeters. Find its perimeter. Now, the first thing you should do, you have to find the square root of 225. We know the square root of 225 is 15. It's a square, so then all the four sides are same. Now I know one side is 15 centimeters. Then how can I find the perimeter? Perimeter means we have to add all the four sides. So 15 times 4, it's 60 centimeters. Let's move to the 14th question. The nth term is 3n plus 6. Find the 10th term. Now, I know my nth term, it's 3n plus 6. Now I have to find the 10th term. So what should I do? I have to take n as 10. Then 3 times 10 plus 6. 3 times 10, it's 30. 30 plus 6, it's 36. So according to this question, my 10th term is 36. Write, next question, write all the factors of 24. We know now if you get a number where you can divide exactly, we call it as a factor. So what are the factors of 24? Yes, 1 is a factor. 2, yes, you can divide 24 exactly by 2. 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So these are the factors of 24. The 16th question, what is the product of 12 and 5? We know what's the meaning of product. Product means to multiply. So 12 times 5, it's 60. The 17th question, what is the 8th multiple of 6? That means when you tell the 6 times table, what is the 8th number? So simply what you can do, 6 times 8, it's 48. 18th question, what is the 5th cube number? We know how do we find the 5th cube number or the cube numbers. The first cube number is 1 into 1 into 1. The second cube number is 2 into 2 into 2. So what should we do? We multiply the number thrice. So when I want to find the 5th cube number, I have to multiply 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. 19th question, round 45,894 to the nearest hundred. Now, when I want to round this number, I'll consider the last three digits. My last three digits are 894. Then I have to see whether 894 is closer towards the 800 side or 900 side. 94 is more than 50, so therefore we take it towards the 900 side. Then my answer is 45,900. The last question, what are the factor pairs of 100? So these are the factor pairs of 100. 1 times 100, yes, you can get 100. 2 times 50, yes, you will get 100. 4 times 25, yes, you are getting 100. 10 times 10, you get 100. And 20 times 5, yes, 20 times 5 also, you will get 100. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and share with your friends.